Did you know that something as small as a chia seed can pack a powerful nutritional punch? Don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds have been fueling people for centuries. Chia seeds were a staple food for the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. They knew something we're rediscovering today. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're now considered a superfood, and for good reason. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Ready to learn why you should be including chia seeds in your daily diet? Let's dive in. Superfood is a trendy term, but chia seeds truly earn this title. They offer a unique combination of nutrients rarely found together in such high concentrations. First, chia seeds are incredibly high in fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber is great for digestion and helps you feel full longer. They're also packed with plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. This makes chia seeds a great option for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. Finally, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. These healthy fats are important for reducing inflammation and improving cognitive function. Let's take a closer look at the impressive nutritional profile of chia seeds. A 1-ounce serving, which is about 2 tablespoons, contains 11 grams of fiber. That's almost half your daily recommended intake. 4 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, 5 of which are heart-healthy omega-3s, 18% of your daily recommended intake of calcium, 16% of your daily recommended intake of iron, and 30% of your daily recommended intake of magnesium. This impressive combination of nutrients makes chia seeds a valuable addition to any diet. Section 4. Easy and delicious. Adding chia seeds to your day. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easier than you might think. Because of their mild, slightly nutty flavor, they're incredibly versatile. Here are some simple ways to enjoy chia seeds. Sprinkle them on salads. Add a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds to your favorite salad for extra crunch and nutrition. Mix them into smoothies. Chia seeds blend seamlessly into smoothies, adding a boost of fiber and omega-3s. Make chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with your favorite milk or yogurt, and let them sit in the refrigerator overnight for a delicious and satisfying breakfast or snack. Add them to baked goods. Chia seeds can be added to muffins, cookies, and other baked goods for extra nutrition and texture. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Get creative and experiment with different ways to include chia seeds in your meals. Section 5. Chia Delight, a recipe to get you started. Ready to experience the magic of chia seeds firsthand? Try this simple and delicious recipe for overnight chia pudding. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, or your choice of milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, or to taste 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. In a jar or container, combine all ingredients. 2. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. 3. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. 4. Top with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola and enjoy. This simple recipe is a great way to introduce chia seeds into your diet. Enjoy the taste and the amazing health benefits these tiny seeds offer.